Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Run and Tell That, and that is by Bishop Kelsey. And this was requested by Official CJ Lifestyle. Thank you so much, CJ, for giving us this awesome song to work on. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of D flat. Let's get it. That's D flat, E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, and D flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we're going to do like we always do. We're going to crack our knuckles. We're going to stretch them out. And let's receive Bishop Kelsey with Run and Tell That. That was Bishop Kelsey for Run and Tell That. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So this song has two parts in every place of the song. There's a lead part and then there's a background part. So it's like a call and response. The lead says something, then the background says something, okay? So this song is like, lead, has the Lord done anything for you? The background, you wanna run and tell that, right? All right, let me give you that. What we're doing is our lead is going boogie woogie, guys. Straight boogie woogie. All right, what is that? We're just playing a D flat dominant 7 chord. Walk up, 3, 5, 6. Right there on the 7 flat, we're playing that D flat dominant 7 chord again. Go back down to the 6. Then you hit your 5, right there on the 6, we're playing a G flat major chord. And then we just repeat that again. I'm going to slow it down. All right, so that's the groove, right? All right, now next part, you ought to run and tell that. You ought to run and tell that. All right, we're playing this beautiful chord over the 4. That's an A flat, B flat, D flat, E. Our run is 4, 6, 1, 2, 3 flat, 2, 1, 6. Let me slow it down. You ought to run and tell that. Had to slow it up for you, right? All right, so next part. The next part is the same thing, guys. I'm a living witness. My God will see you through, right? You ought to run and tell that. Guys, it was the same thing. The only thing we did at the end was we went to our 7 flat. We're playing this B major chord. And then we're going to our 4 and we're playing this G flat major chord. Pick me up when I was down. Place my feet on solid ground. You ought to run and tell that. Alright, what did I do? I just played the 1. I'm playing a regular D flat major chord and I kind of just hit it, right? I just hit it again. And we went back to our 4 run. What we learned earlier, right? Then the next time through. Look at my hands and they look new. Look at my feet and they were too. You ought to run and tell that. Alright, so guys, that second time through was the same thing, right? I just hit that 1. Then we did our 4 run. So all I'm doing is I'm starting out on my 4. And I'm playing this D flat and this B flat. I'm going to my 3. I'm playing this C. This A flat, I'm on my 2, and I'm playing this B flat and this G flat. I'm going to my 1, and I'm playing this A flat and this F. Going to my 7, I'm playing this G flat and this E flat. Going to my 6, and I'm playing an F and a D flat. And then I'm on my 6th flat, and I'm playing this nice F dominant 7 chord. Then you can go down to the 3. Next part is you. Let me give you that real quick. All right, what am I doing now? I'm on my 6. I'm playing this B flat minor chord. I'm going to my 5. I'm playing this nice big B7 chord. Going to my 1. I'm playing this D flat 13 chord. Going right here to this beautiful G flat dominant 7 chord. Then we're going back to you ought to run and tell that. Okay. Next, we're going right back to our 4, what we learned earlier. Right. Right. You ought to run and tell that. All right. So we know that part, right? That second time through, they do something very beautiful. They go, you ought to run and tell. Let me give you that. It's so beautiful, right? So they're on the 4, and they're just doing a 3, 6, 2 movement. What is that? We're on the 3. We're playing an A flat major chord. Going up to our 6. We're playing a D flat major chord. Going to our 2, and we're playing this G flat major chord. Then they do this walk up. Let me give it to you. Big chords, guys. All dominant 7 chords. We have the A flat dominant 7, and that's on the 5. We're going to our B flat dominant 7 on the 6. Going to our B dominant 7 on the 7 flat. Going to our C dominant 7 on the 7. And now we're on our 1, and that's a D flat dominant 7. Here's the groove they're doing. You ought to run and tell them. You ought to run and tell them. Right? Let me give you that. Let me give you that. Let me give you that. Beautiful. That run is 1, Right there on the 1, we're playing this D flat major chord. We're walking our bass up to the 2, 3 flat, 3, 5, 6. Right here on the 7 flat, we're playing this D flat dominant 7 chord, going down to our 6. Right there on the 5, we're playing a G flat major chord, going right back to the 6. The last part I want to give you that you gotta get is He loosed my shackles, yeah, yes. Let me give you that. We're on the 5. We're playing this A flat dominant 7, walking down to our G flat dominant 7 on the 5 flat. We're going to our 4. We're playing this G flat dominant 7. Going to our 3. We're playing this F dominant 7. Walking up to our 7. Going to our 1. That's a D flat dominant 7 chord. And then we're going to our 4, and that's a G flat dominant 7. Guys, I hope this was a blessing for you. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you. I know things are getting good, but before we continue, come join our growing Numerical Melodies community on Facebook. I'm sharing all the songs I love to hear and play, and I hope you will too. Go check it out. And now, back to our lesson. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is trapped on the truck. I remember a time when my job required me to check truck drivers' pre-checklist forms and make sure the right pallets were loaded. One particular day, while I was inspecting the pallets, the truck suddenly started moving, with me still on the back. I began shouting, but the driver couldn't hear me. I yelled so much that I eventually grew tired of hearing my own voice. At first, I had no idea where I was going. Then it hit me. The destinations were printed right on the tickets. I noticed one was nearly an hour away, and panic set in. That's when I realized something simple but powerful. The flashlight I was using was on my phone, and my phone could make a call. I quickly called my supervisor and explained the whole situation. He asked which truck I was on, but I had no idea. So the company had to call every driver who left around that time and instructed them to check their trucks. Finally, one driver pulled over, opened the door, and there I was. Life lesson. Sometimes in the middle of chaos, we forget the tools and resources already in our hands. When life feels overwhelming, pause, look around, and use what you have. You might already be carrying the very solution you need. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you so much for coming in and learning with me on today. And thank you again, CJ Lifestyle, for that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video I tell you that we are on the road to... Yep, I heard somebody say it, 1 million. We're on the road to 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. Guys, you know this cannot be done without you. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell, because when you hit that bell, a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. I bet you won't hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the subscribe and you just hit the bell. Guys, you have just made my day, and you know what? You're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.